Hi guys, today I'm just hoping to have a short discussion on a very interesting topic, navigation software setup. The interesting part, which is add hardware. When we go to the add hardware page, the first thing we have to do is add the vessel. We would have to create a vessel say with all the offsets of relevant sensors, which will also include a CRP. Once we add the vessel, all the communication ports that are available on the PC running the navigation software will be included in the hardware page of the vessel. Once that is done, then we have to include the sensors. So basically, these will include the GNSS system, the INS system or the motion sensor, and the heading system. And then, if it is a bathymetric survey, it would have a single beam echo sounder and a multi beam echo sounder. So, depending on the job that we are conducting. The interesting part here is the configuration of the interfacing. Generally, in hydrography, the sensors communicate in either serial communication or Ethernet communication. But as we are going towards autonomous platforms, once all hardware interfacing has been done, the logical interfacing serial generally is either 232 or 422, but in autonomous it is also 485, CAN bus, SPI, and other things also. And Ethernet generally is either TCP or UDP, but in autonomous, there is much more than this. Just to keep it simple, now we should be aware of the sensors that we are using, on which communication protocol they are sending the data. Either it is serial or Ethernet, and if it is serial, then what are the settings like the baud rate, parity bits, and stop bits. And if it is Ethernet, then we should be aware of the UDP or TCP protocol, and then the port numbers. The port numbers are important because they send the data to the application that the data is relevant for. All over internet, the website that we open, the remote communication that we do, or the emails that we get, each one has been assigned a default specific port. Some are secure and some are not secure. So they are defined port. We must not use those ports. But apart from that, different sensors send data in different port numbers. For some, it is a fixed, like multi-beam systems. But sometimes we have option, like in StarPack, we have option to choose a base port, and then from the base port, we have a choice to send different strings in different port numbers. But that will be another discussion.